Someone's late.
Yeah, if he's not forgetting something, he's late. It's always one of the two. Jamie and I are all ready to go. Oh, it's a good thing he bring Willow. How are ya? Hi, Willow. Yeah. Hello.
Your dog. There's a dog smelling there.
Yeah.
That's
I was gonna do that, but
really beautiful.
oh,
Just get started.
Nice.
Yeah. I don't know what
Beautiful day.
I think the
We'll go out for a little snowshoe. Spend the night in the woods. We're getting up there now. I'm not doing too bad yet.
The angle of the camera.
Not huffing and puffing.
If the angle of the camera's just right, it looks like you're doing a steep climb, you know?
Okay, let's figure that out. Gorgeous afternoon. Played hooky from work this afternoon. I'm out snowshoeing and enjoying this. Look at the view from up here. Let's keep trucking. Get some steps in. Joel, we gotta wait for him the whole day.
Joel, take up the back.
Yeah, always slow back there. Leave the two old guys up front.
What's the top?
Keeping up there, Robin in the hood?
Robin in the Hood? Why is he calling me Robin Hood? What do I look like? I think I'm kind of cute. That's why they keep inviting me. Well, this is where we're going to call home. We're cheating a little bit. We got a picnic table. Setting up tents now.
We're making burgers today, baby.
Deluxe burgers in the middle of the woods.
Yeah, because I brought tomato and lettuce, so you will make it a Deluxe.
Sweet.
Wow.
Oh, it's dandy having a picnic table.
Oh,
No. Okay, everybody,
Yes
if
and
everybody's
yes.
good with mayo and mustard, I'm gonna
Just
like,
make them all the same, dude.
Okay.
Yeah.
Crispy onions, mayo. Oh, the mayo and the mustard mixed.
Well,
That's okay.
well, that's what I mean. Is everybody okay with
Are they
this?
touching each other?
Like, are you guys gonna be weird about that?
We might be a little weird.
Well, that's
Not about that, just in general.
okay.
He really stepped his game up this time,
Oh,
Jamie.
did he ever?
Look at that. Oh, that looks delicious.
Will it feel delicious later?
Oh, let's see if I get food poisoning. Okay, somehow I'm going to record this and bite into it.
Oh,
That's going to be a mess. Mm-hmm.
You're like one of them fast food restaurant CEOs.
Yes, exactly. Right. Taste testing.
One big bite. It's like the size of a freaking mouse.
I know.
Oh, that's good.
Need that over there.
There's Jamie's. I'm going to run with it, though.
Bugger.
I'm going to start making dessert. We're going to have some strawberry shortcake. We have some freeze-dried strawberries. We got some Twinkies. We got a little bit of honey and some icing sugar. First things first, a little bit of water. Throw in our strawberries. We got to kind of rehydrate those and soften them up. Put some honey in there. Okay, we get some honey. Oh my God, the honey.
There you go, Jamie.
The honey doesn't move.
All done. Enjoy your spoon.
Come on, honey, move. Honey, don't move. Oh, we got strawberries all done up. What now? Twinkies.
Oh, they're in there? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Spoon? They're frozen.
Are they frozen? We
No.
should have heated them up, I
No,
guess.
they're not.
All right.
Oh, mama.
We'll get some Some strawberry on it.
No, you don't give me too much, you guys.
Okay, hang on a sec. We have some icing sugar too, buddy. I gotta say, that is deadly. My sweet tooth is loving it. All right, we're all fed. Just about to tuck into my cozy cocoon. Good afternoon, Short. Ate some awesome food. Joel hit it out of the park with those burgers. They were delicious, and then I killed it with the strawberry shortcakes. But we'll see you guys all in the morning. Tell me this isn't a cozy little spot. Oh, I'm just swinging to the breeze. Nice and warm in my sleeping bag. Awesome. Good night, y'all. Just laid here staring up at the sky. So quiet and peaceful this morning. Good morning, Willow. Oh, too busy smelling. Too busy smelling. Holy jump, you packing up already?
What?
Are you packing up already?
Packing layers on, that's what I'm doing.
Beautiful, how are you?
Oh, that sucks.
We're here fighting with the stoves this morning. The gas is so cold it didn't want to work. I had to heat up my my tank on my belly to get some hot water to fill up Joel's pot with hot water so he could put his tank in and get some gas moving. The joys. The joys. Huh? Willow, how are you doing? You don't look like you're cold. You're a big fluff ball.
Keep naming places, man.
Just packed up. Time to start heading out.
What is it? Sometimes you go too fast, you miss the scenery, right?
Yeah, just the light bouncing off the snow through the trees.
Yeah. Beautiful.
The brook running down through. Awesome. I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, there's a nest in the tree. You can see where he pecked it, and it's fairly new because all the shavings are down at the bottom of the tree. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna stand here for a minute, take a break, suck in some vitamin D. Ah, sunshine. Beautiful. Once you get moving, you're gonna want to take a layer or two off. You don't want to be sweating. So that's what we're gonna do. We are on our way out now, heading pretty much all downhill from here. Huh. Well, boys, that was awesome. Good little night away. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.